Come on. I can see your underwear. Pick up the rock. Come on.
Yeah. I'm gonna throw this rock to the ground.
Wait, other way. Come on.
Oh yeah, it's gotta be safe. Well,
Rock.
remember, people, we won't be terrible. 3, 2.
Almost. You gotta hit the rock. We gotta hit the rock. We gotta hit the rock with the rock. Ready? Go. Almost had it.
It broke.
It did?
Yeah.
Wait. Don't pick it up. I want to see the rock.
I did it.
Ah! That's your child.
Broke.
Take care of your child.
Broke. I'm hurt.
Have you ever played soccer with a rock? This is probably not safe to do around cars. What did you just do?
I broke these fool. Wait.
Hold still. Be my rock. Come here.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Wait, I know a perfect place to drop these.
Where?
Follow me.
Wait, let me have a rock. Let me have a rock.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I recommend doing a time skip.
Time skip. All right. By the way, Mom's gonna see this on YouTube. She's gonna see this on YouTube.
Well, this was going to be the place I dropped it.
No, I have a better place.
Water
What up?
equals rock. Wait, plus rock.
Wait, don't throw it yet. I want to get a perfect shot. Go. Go ahead, go.
Where's the little fishies?
There's fishies?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
3.
2. Go. First of all, there's more water over here. 3, 2,
Wait, how
1. That actually could have hit my hair. See, it's deeper over there.
That is way deep. How does this look beautiful?
Because there's probably something under here that's like filth making the water like split apart.
Come on.
Wait, nah.
Come on.
Nah, we can't go over there.
Wait, would that make us terrible YouTubers? You know, the YouTubers that do terrible things for views?
First of all, this is naturally expected from at our age. 2, we're not hurting anyone.
Thank goodness.
We're just going on adventures.
Thank goodness, because I do not want to be one of those YouTubers.
Yeah, they go to hell.
One of them straight up went into a store, and just so Karina's video won't get demonetized, they have this spray thing.
Never mind. No. I already heard of that. They should have been going to jail.
That person really went to jail.
That bin should have been in jail. Oh, look at this.
How is this? Wait, is that like an edge?
Like an edge into the water.
Yeah, like there's a little bump that makes the water go from that makes the water go from
Beautiful view.
to beautiful.
I love the view. Where you going? You can't go down there. Look. What is that?
I think that's just grass.
No. I'm talking about this. Come here. About that.
Where is it?
Look, that. What is that?
Let me see. Oh. I think that's a mushroom.
Touch it.
No.
Touch it.
No, I'll get high.
Ooh.
Whoa, what is it? Hey.
How do you know that? How do you know that? TV.
3, 2, 1.
If I knew you were gonna jump, I would have never came.
Alright. In 3.
Is that
2.
anthill?
The what?
No, that doesn't seem like an anthill. What is that white stuff?
Hey, I want you to film me.
What's that white stuff?
Wait, that's snow?
That is not snow. You can't tell me that's snow. What is it?
No.
Is it snow?
No.
What is it?
It's not burnt, so these are just... I need a stick.
You need a stick to find a stick. I can't help you. There's a stick.
How about you stick?
There's a stick right there. There's a stick right there. Yo, there's a stick right here.
It's hard. Like hard?
Did you throw a stick in the forest?
Like hard?
Like hard?
Yeah.
Did you step on it?
Didn't meant to. There's some rocks in it. This might be glue.
Glue? Oh, there was
It's the
those
beam broke.
go-karts that had a bunch of supplies on it. It could be from that. Ugh. No, I showed the back of you. Come on, over here. I want to see where it broke. And this is also where I found the cat. Oh, look at that car. I don't know who. Oh, it's the doggy. But where is our apartment? Where is it? Yeah, where did the beam break? No. I'm trying to see where the beam broke. Like the. Stop running! Okay. That's demon dog.
Now we go fast.
Where?
Here. Okay.
No, because we had our whatever.
Anyways.
Where you going? Why are you? Why are we running? Do I have any candy in here? No, I don't got any candy in my pocket. There's the dog. No, I cut it out.
What is dog tomatoes?
I don't know.
I wonder what the dog was.
It's not a trained dog.
What dog was it speaking?
I don't know.
You better not get on my post. You better not get on my post. Woo! I'm painting this one.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you all next time, hopefully.